Rev up your engines!
Rasheen Chalky says, good morning. I recently crashed my 2017 Lexus RX 350 on the side. Should I fix it or sell it? Depends on how bad the damage is. If it's really smashed in, get rid of it. Because modern cars, and that's a 2017, everything's run by computers on what's called a computer bus CAN line. Everything's run. There's a whole bunch of computer modules in the car, not just a couple of them, a whole bunch of them. And you wreck it bad enough, and those wires get pinched. They can have problems that no mechanic will ever figure out what is wrong with the car. I've seen them where they get in a wreck like that and then forever warning lights come on. Something else goes wrong. You never know what is going to break on a vehicle. If it's really smashed in, get rid of it. Don't fix it. And if you obviously had it insured 2017, I hope you did. And if you get a choice of a payout or fix it, take the payout even if it's a few thousand less than what you think the car's worth, because they're too complex. When those things get in a big wreck, there's too many things that could go wrong. Gabriel Sarah says, Scotty, need advice. My aunt's getting a new car soon. He'll probably sell me her 2004 BMW 325i with 150,000 miles. Anything for or against? What should I look for? Appreciate it. Stay away from your aunt. Those things are money pits. And it's now 15 years old, and it's got 150,000 miles on it. If she gave you the car for nothing, sure, if you get it for free, take it as a gift. That anything goes wrong, just junk the stupid thing. But don't buy it. It's worth nothing with that mileage and that age. They're almost always endless money pits. I mean, if she's going to give it to you, great. If not, don't even think about buying that car. You spend so much money, it'd be ridiculous. Kenneth May says, I realize you don't like Mercedes, but I bought a 1976 Unimog with a gas engine. Do you have any advice on proper engine maintenance? Okay, well, that I'd actually like. Those Unimogs, those were the coolest vehicles. I mean, military used them and stuff. Those were really cool. You want to maintain that because engines in Mercedes make cost a fortune. What you want to do is you want to use high quality oil and you want to change it a lot. And since that's a Unimog, and if you do take it off-roading and do a lot of weird stuff in it, I would change the oil every 3,000 miles or once a year, regardless. If you could find out what was previously used in oil, if they used synthetic oil, use synthetic oil. Now, if they said they didn't use synthetic oil, I would stick with normal oil, but I would use Castrol GTX because the Castrol is probably the best oil for gasoline engines. That's what I'd use. And since it's so old, I mean, that's really old, you'd want to check all the seals, make sure the oil wasn't leaking and stuff, and of course change the coolant to make sure it's not going to corrode the inside of the engine. Brandon McCall says, Scotty, I got an 01 Jeep Grand Cherokee. OBD reads P0303, cylinder misfire. Big or small deal? We never know. It means you got a misfire in the cylinder number 3. The obvious things are you change the spark plug. If it's got spark plug wires, you change the wire. If it doesn't, you can change the coil on plug and pray that it goes away. If it doesn't go away then, it could be the fuel injector. It could be the computer. It could even be a blowing head gasket on that cylinder. But you always start simple and work your way out. And let's say if you've got the coil on plugs, heck, you could just change one coil on plug from number 3 to like number 6 and see what happens. And if the misfire goes to 6, the coil's bad. It's a fast way of checking them without having to buy expensive parts. When you only have one misfire, you can switch parts from that cylinder to another. And if it misses, moves to the other cylinder, that's the problem. It's usually not that simple, but you can pray that it's that easy. That's the first thing you can do, and it costs you nothing other than moving the parts around. Dwight Gonzalez says, Scotty, I got a 95 Blazers running rich. I changed the fuel pump, map sensor, plugs and wires, distributor cat, clean the injectors, the EGR map sensor, but it's still running rich. Well, you said you cleaned the injectors. As old as that is, I would just replace the injectors because they meter the gas going in, and you change the fuel pump, the map sensor and stuff. For some reason, you're getting too much gas going in, and it's normally the injectors, and you're never going to be able to, on an old thing like that, see which ones it is. On a more modern car, I would hook up my dealer level scan tool and I could actually see millisecond pulsing of the fuel injectors were and all kinds of data, but you don't get that on those old things. I would say get yourself a set of remanufactured injectors, put that on next. That would be the most common thing. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.